Modern cleaning aisles are loud, bright bottles, harsh scents, promises of killing everything. But for most of human history, homes were kept clean without synthetic sprays, disinfectants, or warning labels. And somehow, people survived. Today on Natural Earth Living, we're re-stepping back into the past to explore how homes were cleaned before chemical products existed, using simple ingredients, common sense, and an understanding of how nature actually works. Vinegar, the universal cleaner. Long before it lived in plastic bottles, vinegar was a household staple. It was used to clean surfaces, cut grease, deodorize rooms, prevent mold and buildup. Its acidity made it effective against bacteria without poisoning the air. It didn't need fragrance. It didn't need color. It just worked. Herbs were more than decoration. Homes weren't just cleaned, they were infused. Bundles of rosemary, thyme, lavender, and sage were used to freshen rooms, repel insects, discourage mold, purify the air naturally. Floors were sometimes scrubbed with herbal water. Windowsills held drying plants. Cleanliness smelled like the garden, not chemicals. Ash and fire had a purpose. Wood ash wasn't waste, it was a tool. Mixed with water, ash created a mild abrasive that cleaned pots and pans, hearths, stubborn grime. Fire itself was cleansing. Sunlight and heat were relied on to dry, disinfect, and reset living spaces. Sunlight was the original disinfectant. Bedding, rugs, and clothing were hung outdoors regularly. The sun killed bacteria, removed odors, refreshed fabrics, prevented infestations. No scent beads, no sprays. Just fresh air and light. Clean meant balanced, not sterile. This may be the biggest difference. Homes weren't scrubbed into lifelessness. They were kept in balance. Dirt was removed. But not everything was destroyed. People understood, intuitively, that life needs life. And a home that breathes stays healthier than one soaked in chemicals. Modern cleaning products promise control. Old methods worked with nature instead. Sometimes, the old ways weren't primitive at all. Just wiser. If this video gave you a new perspective, tap like, subscribe for more grounded living. And tell me in the comments, which natural cleaner would you bring back first? Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always test natural cleaning methods on small areas first and ensure proper ventilation when cleaning.